Hi, I'm Alex Vanderberg, commercial manager here at Allways Precision. At Allways Precision, our goal is to build the best centerless grinder on the market. Key part of what we do is understanding our customers' unique needs. Our goal is to tailor make our solution to fit their exact need. So even though we produce a lot of very similar machines, each machine is essentially dialed in for each customer's specific needs. That's what I think makes us unique in terms of being able to give our customers the best possible solution. And so we understand that these are investments for our customers, and those investments need to provide a good return. If they don't, then it doesn't make sense. So for us, our goal is not only to build the best technical machine, but it also needs to make financial sense for our customers.
Hi, my name is Bob Sauerman. I've been working for Allways Precision for almost 34 years. My job here is I rebuild grinding wheel spindles and reg spindles. What makes Allways Precision a unique company is we don't take any shortcuts. We do everything the right way. It might take us a little bit longer, especially in the scraping department for the bearings, because what we do is what the part is going to come out as. The way we take the piece and make sure everything is perfect. It takes a lot of skill to do that. It seems like everybody helps everybody in the company, and we're like one big team. And it's been out throughout all the years, and from us coming from 2 workbenches to the company that we are now makes me proud because I was a part of that.
My name is Vaidas Paškevičius. I'm a customer service manager at Allways Precision. Came fresh from Lithuania, so in 1996, and that was my first job, and I kind of made it a career out of it. The reason I like working for Allways Precision is all the people that we're surrounded with. We have a ton of guys that have been here for over 20 years, and the company's only 33 years old, so having that many people stay here for that long speaks volumes of a atmosphere in a company, how people are treated. People stay, so I like working with those people, and I've known a lot of these guys for over 20 years. Well, customer service is still our #1 priority. We've always worked towards that. We always try to provide the best solutions for our customers, and in over 30 years and with Allways Precision, we probably built and sold over 1,000 of Cincinnati centerless grinders, and thousands more of those grinders out in the field. There's a lot of customers we need to support. So it's that feeling when you can help the customer to succeed, whether we built the grinder or we service their grinder, it's really fulfilling of what we do around here. So to get that call or to send somebody out in the field and that problem gets solved, it's just an amazing feeling. When we send our machines out, it's not only, hey, we sold you a machine, you're on your own right now. We'll support you all the way till, whether the machine breaks or you have an issue with the setup or you have a question on we're here to support.
So I'm Drew Daugherty. I'm the National Business Development Manager for Allways Precision. Before this, I'd been in manufacturing, but I already knew about Allways Precision, and they had the best quality out there, and that's what they're known for. Just by word of mouth, they had grown into this very large company and doubled in the last few years. I mean, it just made sense for me to join the team. My favorite part about working at Allways Precision is being able to go in and work with the customers and find a solution to make their products better. Whether it be, that the parts are out of tolerance or they're not getting the production speed that they need and they need more uptime. We go in and we make a custom solution for every single customer. Our typical process when working with customers is first just understanding everything about their business. What are they really looking to accomplish? Whether that be more output so they can sell more parts, or whether they're just having tolerance issues, we're going to go in and look at each thing individually and see what we can do to craft a machine that's going to really fit their specific needs. One thing that separates Allways Precision apart from its competition is just the amount of spare parts that we have on hand. We have over $3 million of parts in inventory right now. and that's 3,000 different part numbers. So if you're ever looking for a part, you know, a lot of times, even if you think that you're not getting it from us, you probably are, because we are the ones that have the most parts in the world.
My name is Evan Bolt. I'm an electrical engineer at Allways Precision. I've been here for about a year now. I like working at Allways Precision machines because we have a chance to keep improving. When we make improvements, they tend to stick. The software package it's one software that gets compiled, same for every machine, and then we can configure it on a per machine basis depending on options that are added. An example of something we've recently added is that we have a QR code that you can scan, and it helps you send an email to us along with information from the machine that helps us diagnose the problem quickly. It's a pretty big win for customers because when you scan the code, we don't have to spend a lot of time figuring out exactly what serial number it was, what features should be enabled, and we get an exact list of alarms to quickly diagnose the problems without having to go back and forth a bunch of times. It gets you the solution very quickly. Another thing that we've added to the software package is gap elimination, basically looking at the vibration from the grind as a trigger to slow down the in-feed process so that you can wrap it into the part, detect the part, and then grind at the proper grind speed. Yeah, one thing that we're working on now is to add some kind of wizard-like setup helpers to simplify the setup process, to do the math for you. Basically, the idea would be that the grinder software becomes the expert in grinding, and you don't necessarily need to rely on years of knowledge when it's built into the machine. At Allways Precision, we've heard from our customers that experienced operators are hard to find, and so we've tried to build some of our knowledge into the software to make it easier for new operators to operate our machines.
Hi, my name is Matthew Baldwin. I've been a mechanical engineer at Allways Precision for about 5 years now. My main role here at Allways Precision is a senior mechanical engineer. So I design all of the major components that go into the automation that we build, all of the machine components that we build. We have an entire 3D design library based in SolidWorks that we use regularly to kind of repeat jobs or make incremental adjustments and improvements on our designs. And we're constantly looking towards future prospects and goals with upgrading our systems every single year. So I think the main advantage of us as a company over a lot of our competitors is that we have competition that builds the machine, and we have competition that just makes automation. Where we kind of shine is bringing the two together in harmony. I would say that when we integrate our automation with our machine systems, you get a better product and a happier customer. So we not only provide support to the customer for our automation and parts loading systems, we also provide it for the machine and kind of that blend together. So that seamless blend is a huge part that makes us a reliable source of centerless grinders.
My name's Anthony. I'm the electrical department lead here at Allways Precision. I've been working here for about 3.5 years. My favorite part about working here is just the people, my coworkers. We have a really great team here. Everyone gets along great, and I think we work really well together. I'd say something that a lot of things give me pride about working here, but probably the biggest thing is that everyone cares about quality here. So everyone's completely committed to building the best quality product, whether it's for my department specifically, it's building to certain standards like NFPA 79, UL 508A, NEMA, CE standards, that kind of thing. And then, I know that extends out more than just the electrical department. It's really the spindle, the assembly department. Everybody's really up on the top tier of everything. Every panel that we build, every machine that we build, it's built to top industry standards. Everything is built according to spec, and not only that, it's not just about building a panel, it's about making it safe, making it reliable, making it clean, and just making it as bulletproof as it can be.
So my name is Roberto de Lara. I've been here about 28 years. Currently, I am working in automation, building and integrating automation to our centerless grinders. I mean, when I started here, it was a very, very small company. Obviously, a small group of people also. The quality of machines from where we started to where we are now is a huge difference. At the beginning, it was rare to see a machine that will have automation. Entrance conveyors, exit conveyors is kind of the beginning of that is what I used to see. Now, almost every machine has automation, and we do robots, we do feeder bowls, centrifugal bowls, gantry style machines. There's a lot. The customer being happy and saying, you know, this machine is replace 2-3 other machines, that's just a good feeling for what we do. It makes it worth it.
Hi, I'm Terry Meyer. I'm CEO of Allways Precision. In 2022, when the investment was made to Allways, we immediately invested for growth, which required facilities, people. So we established a culture around 4 basic pillars: a growth mindset, invest in our people, continuous improvement, and a new pillar, which is a 360-degree full comprehensive support of our customer. By 360 support, what we mean is full comprehensive parts, services, machines, technology, segments, anything that a customer would need to get the full utilization of what we sell. We've invested heavily into our field support. We feel we have more people in the field servicing our products than anybody in the industry, which allows us to be incredibly reactive to immediate needs, as well as planned preventive maintenance type schedules that our customers desire. We've evolved our internal skill set from not only being able to build the machine, but also looking at it from our customer standpoint about how to run our machines and how our machines affect their operation. So we've dedicated a lot of investment to understanding how to run our machines like a customer would run our machines. And that's paid off very much in solving our customers' challenges in their operations. At our core, Allways Precision is a machine builder. But to really solve all of our customer problems, we have to be much more. We need to be a customer partner. And with that partnership comes many responsibilities of keeping our machines running and impacting our customers' operations. We have spent so much time trying to build our organization on paper, but when you look at each one of those organizational boxes, you know, it's got to be top talent to fill every one of those roles. And again, whether that's somebody that's out in the field repairing our machines, or whether that's an engineer that's involving in inventing the next generation machine, you know, it starts with just attracting the top talent. So you got to make this a place to work that people want to come, that talent wants to come and work, right? And that's what, you know, we try to do. We try to make it for the young and the old, you know, the field, the in the office, the factory worker, and the, you know, and the executive. You know, this is a great, great place to work and think of your career and your future with. And so that's, you know, we've been clearly trying to just attract top talent.
At Allways Precision, we've been around for 30 plus years building the world's best centerless grinders. We're looking forward to another 30 years with our great customers. Manufacturing is all about getting smarter. In manufacturing, making the machine smarter is the biggest trend in terms of driving productivity for our customers. By incorporating advanced sensors, we're able to leverage machine learning to continue to enhance productivity. That is a huge focus for us at Allways Precision of how do we keep advancing manufacturing technology to be on the cutting edge, so we're delivering not just the best solutions for our customers, but for our future customers as well. If you're not moving forward, you're going backwards.